I'm delighted to announce that the time has come when the world is going to recognize the value of astrology. Currently, it has been classified as pseudoscience. It's a grave mistake, and it will be soon corrected, and we are proceeding to that time. I just want to talk to you about one particular planet, Saturn. He's the most important planet because he is one who matures the soul. And he gives hardships to people, no doubt about it. People are afraid of Saturn because it is through putting you through hardships that he educates the soul. It is something like a surgeon operating on a tumor and removing the tumor. He will be going through a very difficult time during Saturn. Even gods are not exempt from the influence of Saturn. Gods also have lessons to learn, including Shiva. The other day I was talking to someone in Kerala. He took me to a temple, a goddess temple, where he was telling a story of how Shiva, although he is the Almighty God, himself was subjected to the influence of Saturn. And in order to get out of Saturn's influence, he just became a rat and was living in garbage can. And then Saturn was looking for him for a year and a half, because usually Saturn stays for 2.5 years in a particular zodiac. And for 1.5 years, in order to escape Saturn, Shiva was living in a garbage can and among trash. And he thought that he was escaping from Saturn. Saturn finally found him out in the garbage can, and then Shiva had a conversation with him. Didn't I not escape from you? And Saturn told him, look, you have been living in a trash can for 1.5 years. It doesn't tell you that I have put you through that experience. So it's just not a simple story. And he is going to give all the trouble. But the trouble is worth going through, because it's going to teach you a lesson for the evolution of your soul. And in this video, I just want to give you some ways of how you can mitigate the bad influence of Saturn. You can do a lot of things. For instance, observe Saturn Horus. It comes, I think, twice a day, in every given day. And light a sesame oil lamp and use the sound shrum, S-H-R-A-M, shrum, 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 shrum. This is the password to access Saturn. And if you are not able to do that, at least do the sound. Not able to light the candle or sesame lamp, just say the sound. On Saturdays, fast, light sesame lamp. Help people who are handicapped, and also donate clothes, particularly black colored clothes, to handicapped people or anyone else who is in need. That will greatly appease Saturn. these might appear like superstitious acts, but in my experience, I have found that these rituals work tremendously well. And this is how you can appease the Saturn's influence, bad influence on you. You still will learn lessons, but you don't have to go through too much of hardships. Also, make sure that whenever Saturn wants to teach you a lesson, it's going to be on a Saturday or during Saturn Hora. That's why I said you have to do these things during that time. So beware of these times of Saturn Hora and Saturday, and do not schedule important meetings during the day, or do not even go for shopping. You will end up buying the wrong things, or do not go to a barber and you will have a bad haircut, or visit a dentist and who will ruin the whole thing. And this particular transit of Saturn is very important because Saturn himself is moving out of Leo into Virgo. Leo is not a good sign for him, although Sun is really the father of Saturn, but the father and the son do not get along. So Saturn himself is very eager to get out of the sun's sign Leo. It's something like a grown-up doesn't want to live with the parents. That's the same thing with Saturn too. So he is getting out of the parents' house, and he himself is getting into freedom, into Virgo, which is a sign that belongs to Mercury, and Mercury and Saturn get along. So it's a good thing that is happening just for Saturn himself and for the world itself. And those of you who are afflicted by Saturn, you can go to AstroVed newsletter and find out who are the signs affected by Saturn, and then you should do remedies for that. It's a great thing that that you can do for yourself or for your friends or relatives who are afflicted by Saturn. It's very, very important to do the rituals. And those of you who are under the bad influence might want to keep a log and then find out what are the Saturn horas and what are happening during that time. I can tell you with my own experience that during that time you would certainly feel the effect of Saturn. So spend the time during in meditation and pray to Saturn, and that's how you can minimize the impact of Saturn in your life. And then go donate these things that I said, like dark blue clothes or black cloth to handicapped people, particularly those who have lost their legs. And if you are going to feed them on Saturday or help them financially or do whatever you can do, you'll get a tremendous amount of results. And also, one more thing that you can do is Hanuman, the monkey god, is one who is very helpful in dealing with Saturn. So on Saturdays, worship Hanuman. You can order some services dedicated to Hanuman, particularly Hanuman Puja for the entire period that you are under Saturn's influence, and that will help a lot. And these are some of the practical tips that I wanted to give to you with regard to the Saturn transit.